Good morning, everybody. Well, I guess it's afternoon now. I'm just sitting here having my coffee before I get started on my crochet work today. So I just wanted to take a second to say hello to everybody and just give you an update on what I've been working on and some cool stuff that I ordered. Um, so I ordered a really nice set of labels from Archer Knits, and I really like her packaging. I gotta read through all this stuff, but I'm so excited about the labels. So I ordered, um, so when you order your labels, they have different ways of putting the labels. Let's see. Get another set because I had to order this twice. I ordered these for beanies, and I ordered them upside down. So I just want to show you when you order, you can have the orientation changed. So I don't know how it's showing up, if it's showing up backwards in a video, but when you fold them, you want to make sure that they are in the orientation that you want them to be. So this one actually faces this way, and you can't really put that on a hat. So I had to reorder, but I ordered a new color. I like the silver. It came in silver. And what I really like about her labels is that she has the option to order them with screws instead of you having to sew them on yourself. So you can pop these on and off, just screw it in. It takes 5 seconds. You can pop it off for washing if you don't want to wash the leather, and I don't know how you're washing your crochet. Hopefully you're hand washing it. But you can pop this on and off. So I really like that. It saves you time from sewing. And so some of the things that I've been working on, well, first I had, let me grab it, don't have it over here. First I had ordered a while back, I think it was in December, I ordered this metallic thread, and I was planning on crocheting this along with another yarn. So I ended up using this Catarina Sunday Promenade yarn, and it is a weight 3. Yes, it's a weight 3. I don't know how much. It was $3.99. It's actually very beautiful. It works up very beautiful. I will say that the consistency of the yarn varies. So sometimes there was a puff in the middle, which I actually did see on the reviews. There was like, it wasn't twisted or wound together as much, and I just ended up cutting that off and starting a new piece. It's very delicate. It's soft though, and it does split a little bit. It's 90% acrylic and 10% nylon, but it is so beautiful. So it's not a very beginner friendly yarn. You have to be careful while you're crocheting it. And then also when you're crocheting this thread with anything, it actually is almost impossible to take out if you make a mistake. Like I try to crochet, this is just regular acrylic black, I don't know, some cheap black, but I try to unwind it, and it just, the little sequins get stuck in there, and then you can't take it out. So you do have to be careful when you're crocheting it together. But it turns out to be so pretty. It's so pretty. So I made these little bikini bottoms. I put my little tag on there, and it works up so pretty. And then I made a matching top. So the colors in here in this skein are really, really pretty, and they do have other colors. It's available at Hobby Lobby. And let's see, what else have I been working on? Oh, I made a prototype doggy sweater. It's already we've had it on him for a while. It's already piling. So this is acrylic. Once I get this shape down how I want it, I'm going to change the yarn and do maybe like a, I don't know, cotton, but something that's just more durable, you know, because my dog likes to walk in back of this rosemary bush and it just snags. And then also I made the neck hole too large, so his arm was like coming out and coming up through the arm, so he looked like he had on a one shoulder baby. And I'm like, okay, so next time, so I've learned I'll make this, once I get it down, I'll make a tutorial on how to fit your dog properly, because you definitely run into the problem of seeing like a super cute sweater or something like that in a Walmart or PetSmart, and you bring it home and it just does not fit the way you thought it would look on your dog. It looks really cute in the store, so I wanted to try to make one. So I'm still working on that, and I'm working on the shape and just how to fit them, and then I'll definitely be sharing that with you guys. And then next I'm working on one of those really cute, you know, those bikinis. They're kind of like, usually have fabric in the middle, and then they run they crochet around the fabric, and then they run colored elastic around it. And I've been working on that. So this is just kind of like my little prototype, and it's got the little holes there to run the colored elastic through. So I did order a whole bunch of different colors just to play with them, but basically you just take one of the colors that you want to use. So once you get your shape down, you're just going to run this in and out. Of course, you have to measure your elastic to fit the waist size that you want, which would be a little bit shorter. So I am going to do a tutorial on this, but it's really cute. I would recommend using cotton for the bikini itself, because with the elastic you can actually get in the water with that and it won't expand or fall off. But a lot of people use like fabric right here instead of crochet. I just wanted to crochet the whole thing. So that's another piece that I've been working on. But the only thing was, like, if you want to get this all these colored elastics, you need to sew them together actually. So I did order another, like a thread kit. Let's see, open this. So, ooh, wow. So I ordered a whole bunch of thread from Amazon, and it just had a whole bunch of colors. I believe this one was $16. So I was just gonna pick the best color to match closer. It's better than using the off color. And I got a lot of colors in here that I gotta use. So that's another project that I'm working on. And oh, I'm working on a baby blanket, which is back here. So far, so good. I do need to steam it so that the shape kind of retains itself. But I've been doing, it's kind of like a granny square. It's kind of like that sunburst where you're switching from puff stitches and clusters. And I'm gonna figure out what kind of border I want to use for this. If it turns out really cute, I will definitely share that with you all as well. So I will be posting down below the links to where I got all this stuff. It is some cool stuff. So thank you all so much for watching. I'm so sorry, I actually got a lot of orders, so I do want to get more tutorials out, but you gotta make that money first. So I'm doing my orders, trying to do all that and work on some new designs. So I've been a little bit busy, but yeah, I will post everything below. I just wanted to say hello to everyone and give you an update and let you know I'm still here for you, still making tutorials. I'll try to get some more out pretty soon. But thank you guys so much for your love and support. I can't believe I'm almost at, I think I just crossed 2,800 subscribers. So thank you so much. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Charday_crochets, because that's kind of where I do my giveaways. I haven't posted my giveaways on YouTube that much, so follow me over there if you like giveaways, because I usually do them over there. And what else? Oh, I have another Instagram page that is just purely shout outs. So if you're doing a giveaway, if you're doing any kind of event, if you're doing a crochet along, if you're doing, or if you just have some new cool work or a pattern release or something like that, just shoot me a DM over there and I'll just try to help promote it. So that page has been growing. It's at about 1,000 people now. So people really enjoy it. I just pick like 2 or 3 really cool designs. I try to do it every day and just give people great shout outs to share your amazing work. And I just know exposure is pretty hard with crochet sometimes. So anything to help is always nice. So definitely check out my 2 Instagram pages. And anyway, thank you all so much for all your support and love. And I will be making more tutorials soon. So thank you so much for watching and stopping by. And I will talk to you all soon. Bye.